Okay, I am joining right now. And I am in. We gotta wait for 10 people. So just letting you know, if you guys ever want to play with me or anything, just just comment on my video saying, "Hey KL, I want to play," and then I'll play with you. Because I'm a good YouTuber and I'm better than PewDiePie. And I'm better than PewDiePie. What was that? Okay.
My slipper boot back.
So we're waiting for 2 more people. That's good. We played it a couple times. My cousin is a good imposter. So hopefully, let me see. Speed it up a bit.
I'm gonna be one of those black people.
Nathan? Okay, hi Nathan. And hi, let's start.
4, 3, 2.
We don't tell each other what we are, so let's see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, shut up.
I am furry too. I'm furry.
This is furry, so.
I heard something. Okay, you didn't hear nothing.
I have something. Kill him.
You
gotta kill him.
You little bastard. Get a kill.
I can't kill him yet.
Oh shit.
Oh. We won! Wow.
Nathan was an imposter.
That was the easiest match I played.
Okay, let's play again.
Okay. We will see you when we play again. Okay, guys, so we are waiting for 2 more people to join. Just remember how to come in contact with me. You can text me or whatever. I don't really mind. So, yeah.
But don't use her email.
Do not use my email. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we need to complete the tasks to win the game before the people kill us.
How do you do this gas can test?
Ho's mad or you?
Wait, do we have money for playing this?
No. Until I get paid.
Guys, I know who's the imposter. Stop saying.
Who's the imposter?
The imposter's black.
The nigger.
The people are watching this. Oh, let's
Shut up. It's red. I am clean, orange, and pink, and I'm clean, pink, and orange.
Wait, if it's okay, this says black. But how black reported?
Black reported it? Yeah, let me see.
Oh, you have
Who
to
said
go
it?
No,
No, because you can't report it as a murderer.
so Karen, it wasn't here.
Where did it say they reported it?
Right here.
Oh. So who did it?
Black Karen.
Someone just vented. Let me say who. Red vented. I'm skipping. It's a tie. It's a tie. Oh. Oh, I thought it was a tie. Whatever. Kaden.
It's orange. How's it orange? No, who's standing still?
Oh, shoot.
Because you can only stand still while doing it.
Master 13.
Oh, I see Deadly. I see Banana too. So whoever's standing still, that means. Okay, tell me who's standing. Who? No, don't tell me. Houston has to be orange.
That body. Who did it? Okay.
It's red. It's red.
Okay.
Because I swear, that stand is still. Can we stand still by you?
I don't know. Because no one was really standing still.
So it's red.
Bin Laden. Oh, isn't that the guy who did 9/11? I should not be laughing.
I think it's red.
Red left the game.
Wait, red is dead.
So that means Red is dead. I'm typing Red is dead. Oh shoot. Got a text. Don't mind that. Hee hee.
Red.
Is
Green.
dead. Isn't Red dead? Right?
Yeah. And then and the black said Kevin. So it has to be
Red is dead.
Red is dead. No. England.
England.
Oh, everyone too. When I was doing pasta, everyone was going for me.
Yeah. No. Like when they were.
Kevin. I'll be right back, everyone.
I'm not voting Kebby. I am not. Hold on. Don't worry about this.
You need dead to make it real good.
Okay. I'm not voting anyone. Black is sus. Everyone's sus in this game. I skipped. Because I don't know who it is. Because they didn't get. So it's black. Because they didn't.
No, black still.
I didn't vote because like you have to give me information.
Oh, Keaton, you was right.
Okay, I'll see you guys when we're back at the match. Peace
I
out.
don't care about.
Okay, so we're back at the lobby doing our thing.
Yeah, me and our homeboys right now, we're doing. Banana's changing his colors.
How's Mad acting sus? Who's Mad acting
I'm
sus?
dead. Look, I'm saying yellow. Black is sus. I'm dead. Black is sus. Oh.
I'm voting you, Kaden.
Me? Okay. We're body! It's white or black. Maybe it's both.
I'm going for black. Black is sus. Black is so sus.
I thought white says brown is sus. Okay. Black was not in the costume. Well,
Okay, let's go.
hey Madison, do you want to talk? You want to go get back up here. I'm watching you first. I'm watching. 3. 2. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1.
you're with. Okay?
Nobody.
Okay, well, this is the end of the video.
Yeah, guys.
So, subscribe, have a good time, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Remember, if you want to play with me, comment, and I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.